Hi everyone, this is Decent Machinery Company Limited. We are currently in Indonesia at the project site of a long-term client. This company is a plastic recycling factory with over 20 years of history and more than 600 employees. Our equipment has been running on-site for 5 years. Now, let's follow the camera and check out the equipment's performance. 5 years ago, the client approached us for a solution to the excessive workshop temperature. At that time, the client provided us with information about their York chiller. Here, you can see the nameplate of the York chiller currently in use. We designed the AHU unit according to the client's requirements for cooling temperature and humidity. This is the centrifugal fan, which helps supply air indoors. The fan uses belt drive for stable operation. This section is the medium efficiency filter to ensure air cleanliness. Here is a visual inspection door for easy filter replacement, ensuring smooth operation. This is the spray section, and outside are 2 pumps used for water circulation to ensure the spray section's water supply. Water circulation increases the air humidity, and the client can easily control the water volume to maintain humidity control. This is the cooling coil section, which uses the chilled water provided by the main unit to cool the air passing through the coils, ensuring the required temperature is met. In front is the primary filter section, which filters out dirt from the air. We have included an inspection door for easy maintenance. Here, we have provided the client with a fresh air damper equipped with electric control to better meet the intake air volume requirements. It's an electric actuator that controls the angle of the damper, ensuring proper air intake. During this visit to the client's factory, we aim to showcase our after-sales service, regularly checking the client's site, guiding the inspection and maintenance of the units, and providing operational guidance. We also hope the client continues to use our units to generate more benefits for their company.